Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. These are some of the things we're going to use today, but not that sheet of water decals. No. No, no, forget you see that because we ain't using it. So I busted out some Beetles. You see all the colors we've got there. I'm going to use everything but two. And now we're going to look for, while I'm looking, I thought I'd show these to you guys. This is my sparkle pile, right? All my shiny, sparkly ones. And while I'm looking, I just thought, the kids want to see this. If you see anything that makes you want a set of nails, give me a shout out. I'll see what I can do to make that happen. And yes, that's what we're looking for. Yay. So we're going to clearly add some gold. Okay, guys. I should have been painting. I should have been more under the camera. Pro moves. Pro moves. That's right. Pro moves. But you know I'm super sorry. So we're just speeding through this. Just speeding through it to get through the colors. You guys have seen me paint tons of nails. We're going to cure that for a full 60 seconds. And then we're going to come in with our, I'm going to say, kind of abstract modern art interpretation. And every single one of the nails is going to get this brownie. It's not really brown. It's like a burnt orangey sort of color. And right here, I'm starting to realize, no, I'm going to need a little bit more. But listen, guys, a couple times, and I did pull this out of the video, but a couple of times I did have to go in and redo my splotch because I left it too thick. And you know what happens when your gel is too thick. It totally wrinkles. It is not cured under there, so it looks like a little aqua pillow, and it's not pretty. It's like the opposite of cute. It's honestly the opposite of cute. So I had to pull that off, and then, but what it does is leave a border. So you're able to fill that in. So you don't really notice that there's a difference, but I did have to redo two of those because I left it too thick. So please be careful with your application. Make sure that better to do two coats than a thick coat. Always, always, always with gel. Honestly, that's true with polish too. Have you ever tried to put a thick coat of polish on and it gets gunky and goopy and gross, and then you knock it against something 2 hours later and it's still wet because it was too thick? Yes, so don't do that. Again here, as I'm putting the polish down, I'm a little too low. I realized it, pulled myself up, and now we're just going to come in and add a little bit of teal to these three in the middle. But I knew I didn't want to add it to the green ones. We're going to give them their own separate color treatment from what the other three are getting. The other three are going to match, sort of. I mean, they can only match so much, right? Because it's an abstract look. So each one has its own individual flair, but they are all grounded in that they're the same colors. So except that one in the middle is bright yellow. Shout out for yellow nails. Give me a thumbs up for yellow nails because I love yellow nails. I almost thought, should I wear yellow nails? Because I'm going to do my nails today. But no, I don't think I'm feeling yellow. Guys, I don't know what to do on my nails today. I'm going to do fills, and that's probably what you're going to see on Friday. But so far as what I'm going to do on top of them, which you'll see sometime next week, no clue, guys. No clue at all. So maybe watch my Instagram. Maybe we'll do an Instagram does my nails situation. So keep your eyes on my Instagram. If you're not on there, it's Glam Tones. Everything's Glam Tones. So is my TikTok. Not my Twitter, but guys, my Twitter's kind of crazy. So, and I don't tweet as much as I used to. Let me just say that. So now we're finishing up the color selections on these three in the middle. And then we're going to go ahead and pop those in the lamp. And like the thing I said earlier, cure all the colors each for 60 seconds. Now we're coming in with some blue on these green ones. which I loved the idea of pulling the colors from the other nails onto the green ones, as it sort of gives you a very grounded look, even with this abstract art. So now what I've got there is some iMethod Beauty transfer foil gel. And I'm just testing my technique here. I'm just testing it to see if I like it. And I do. So we're going to come back we're going to come back in with a little more, and just all I'm doing is flicking it, guys. There's no rhyme or reason. I'm not trying to be specific with where I put it. I'm not trying to do any kind of particular pressure or amount, just flicking it on there, and whatever goes on is what goes on, and that's what we're going to use. There is one nail where I felt like I needed more, and I come back in and add a little more, but you'll see that in a minute. Here we go. A little bit of gold, I think, takes this in a really pretty direction. Now at this point, honestly, I'm still thinking I'm going to use that transfer foil sheet, and I even went so far as to cut out a couple of things. But as soon as I laid it on the nail, I realized it was lost in translation. It was not adding anything to the design. It wasn't calling it, if anything, it confused the design. So it just, I didn't love it. So I decided to just pull it off, which I did. I just pulled it off and left it there. So now we're going to come in with a nice juicy top coat. And guys, this is not a smooth nail because you've got little puddles of color there. So definitely I recommend either a really juicy base coat followed by your top coat, or two top coats, coats of top coat. Because if you're like me, if your nail isn't smooth, you're going to be rubbing it. And the more you're rubbing your nail, the more you're going to cause lifting, the more you're going to dull the shine, the more, if you're using press-ons, they're going to pop off. So don't rub your nails, first of all. And second of all, a second top coat will help take care of that. And this is a thin top coat, so I like to hold it upside down to let gravity pull it back down. This is the finished set. Please let me know in the comment section if you'd wear them. And thank you so much for spending some time with me today. If you are celebrating tomorrow, then a happy Thanksgiving to you. If not, a happy Thursday to you. We're going to see you here on Friday. Bye-bye.